show you how to open Active Directory users and computers, which allows centralized management of the computer. This mostly is used for users, groups, organizational units, and so on. Now I'm opening my virtual machine. Yeah, before doing anything or before starting, you should know either your server is running. Yeah, mine is here running. That's good. I have to give it permission. My Active Directory domain, I installed it in the first video I made. I'm now going to show you how to Active Directory users and computer. Now I'm going to connect to the RDP. I tap on RDP. I'm going to tap on remote disk file so that it can bring the image so that we can go direct to the desktop of my virtual machine. Yeah, I have downloaded it here. I'm going to tap it, double tap. It's now loading. Now I'm opening it. It needs a password. So here is the password. The password I stored it on the. I'm copying it. I'm pasting. I'm logging in. Yeah, I'm logging in so I can move my sticky note. The virtual machine is loading. Yeah, it's loading. Now this is my virtual machine. This is my VM. So I'm going to come at search bar. I tap. I look for Active Directory user and computer. It's already here. It's already here. So I'm going to tap on it. Tapping on it. It's still loading. Yeah, it's still loading. Yeah, it has loaded. It has brought. Now at first, in the mean of time, yeah, I have opened my Active Directory. So in my assignment, they told me to create an organization unit, and I went on and I created them. They were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They were 9. So I created 9 organization units, what we call OUS. So in fact they were 8. Now this I have already created them. These are the ones. But if you want to create them, you come here, you right click, you come on the new, you select organization unit. After selecting, then you can create it under the domain name si.com. So I'm done with that. I'm done with how to. I have shown you how to create it. So our next task was to create users. So in creating users, you can come here, you look for users, you right click on user folder, you come on new, you come on user, you select user, you write the name as they told us. For example, I'm going to use my name, which is Ashim. I use Ashim. Then the user logo name, I can continue use Ashim like that. Then I press next. Then I put password. For instance, this password, which is long to meet the requirement. Like this. That is how you create it. You create next, then finished. The account is here. I have created it. I just wanted to show you how I created these accounts which they gave us. So I'm going to remove this account because I don't have its use right now. So I have removed the account. Now I have shown you how I created my accounts. Now I want to assign these accounts. I want to assign each user into the correct organization unit based on department role which they gave us at the first. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to come on search bar. I type file explore. File explore is here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to come on the PC. It's here. I'm going to open it. I'm going to create a new folder. You can either come here and you create a folder, or you can come here and then you add a folder. So I'm going to name it Middle Earth. Oh, sorry, I have used capital letters. That is it. I have created my Middle Earth. Now I am creating the shared directory for department file. So I'm going to come here. Then I'm going to start creating the files. The first file is going to be employee. Now the second file is going to be HR. The third file is going to be IT. The next one is going to be management. Yeah, you have to create all of them here. So research. The next folder is for research. We are still creating research. Now we are creating accounting. Accounting file is done. So the next folder is take. Folders. Stakeholders. Then the next one is auditor. add it as file. Now I'm done with it. These are the files which I'm going to assign the people. Okay. We are going to start with the employee. I'm going to right click on the folder of employee. I'm going to come on property, sub-security. Here it's the main property. In the properties we have some properties, version customized. So I'm going to tap on security. Then in security I'm going to tap edit. In edit I'm going to tap add. So I'm going we are going to come here, then we type Frodo. No. I have Mr. I have done something. Now let me correct it. All these files, they are under employment, so they are going to be inside the employees. So in the employees is where we are going to find these roles to them. So let me start with the big man. Oh God. Let me choose it. HR. Now we go to the previous security, edit, add, Frodo. Add. After selecting Frodo, we are going to give him a full control. We apply, then okay. Now, okay. Let us check inside and we see. So we are done with HR. Now we are going to the accounting. So we repeat our same. Come, we edit, we add. I want to add grown. Then pin. Give them information. Pin. So we are going to give them permission to modify. After going to apply, then okay, then okay. So we have editors here. We continue that very step to all of it. Edit, add. We have Owen. And Bill. Bob. Then we are going to give them full apply. Okay. So we're going to the management, security, edit, add, ball mill, then we add mill, then we add wine. They are finished, and then we are going to give them read and write. We are just going to give them the permission of read and write. Sorry. Then we apply. Okay. Who is left? I think the IT department. Property, security, edit, add. We have one Gimli. Okay. It needs a full control, permission. Apply. Okay. Are we done with the researchers? I think not yet. Property. We are repeating the same method. Add. We have some. We are going to give them some, then Mary. We are going to apply. Okay. So we are now done with this. So I have assigned NTFS permissions to ensure each department has appropriate access level based on job responsibility. That is how I have done it. So what I can say is that organization unit, centralized administration, NTFS permission, access control, user management is what all they need.